Hello, Tom here with the Doctor's Toy Store. Today I'm going to discuss tattoo removal lasers. Right here we have one of the more popular ones. This is the Lumenis Piqo4, a product that Lumenis came out with just to basically remove tattoos. It does some also skin refining, has some other alternatives. So the Piqo4, and I'm going to compare it to something like the Piqo4, for example. So the Piqo4, it uses both picoseconds and nanoseconds, so it has dual mode. That means you can do small, large areas, small, large stages, depending on how often you need to have your patient come back. The Piqo4 has the ultra short pulses, so it has less heat, more vibration. So it does something called pigment shattering. So as a practitioner, you would understand that more than a normal layperson. As far as the wavelengths go, the Piqo4 that's here in front of me will do a 1064, which they both do. 1064 is one of the more popular wavelengths for dark tattoos, you know, the greens, the blacks. You have 532 wavelength, it does 650 and 585. So it targets a very wide range of colors. Comparison to, say, the Piqo4, it does the 1064 again, like we said, 532 and 785. So it does blue, greens, dark inks very well, especially the very deep in the skin, dark inks that probably get down to layers that it shouldn't be. You know, maybe prison tattoos, some that the person held the needle too long, which we've seen here. But they're both cover everything as far as tattoos go. Again, this has a couple more wavelengths than the Piqo4. As far as performance, this will do dark, large spots compared to the Piqo4, which does the shorter pulses. It'll do smaller particles, it'll clear it faster. As far as health skin, they both are known as lasers that don't affect the skin negatively too much. So as far as the photoacoustics, this will do less skin damage, lower heat, faster healing. And they're both well known in the industry for that. Some of the cheaper models, which we've seen come through here, we buy used equipment, they will cause damage, and they will affect the skin. You might have more infections to deal with, so you get what you pay for when it comes to tattoo removal, skin tightening. Now, as far as choosing which one's better for you, you would know by comparing them, but it really depends on the practitioner, depends on the patient, depends on the tattoo. Those, as an expert, are what you decide. What we help you decide is what equipment to use, what best fits you, depending on what your clientele is. Here at the Doctor's Toy Store, that's what we do. We consult, we help you, we tell you what we have, what works, what we see. We do repairs here. We also buy equipment. Give us a call at 954-457-0075. We're located in South Florida, right between Miami and Fort Lauderdale, so there's two airports very close. Come for spring break, come see us. Again, it's Tom at the Doctor's Toy Store. Come see us today.